guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I filmed a video. I hope it doesn't look too messy. I'm still cleaning back there. But today I thought we'd do like a chill get ready with me, and I'd open my Xio bag, which is a jewelry subscription service, and my Boxy Charm, and we would just get ready and it'd be just really relaxed. So I hope you really enjoy the video. If you're new, hi, welcome, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos, join the fam, say hi to me down in the comments. If you're not following my Instagram, go over to Instagram and follow me, and yeah, let's just get started. So I thought we would start with the Xio subscription service. So Xio is basically $55 a month, and they send you 5 jewelry pieces a month, and you can put your preference, so it can be gold or silver, and they come out with different pieces every month, and it's just really cool and really fun. And the reason that I kind of got interested in them, I'm not sponsored by the way, this is just something I discovered on my own on Instagram, researched them, followed them on Instagram, and then I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna do it. And this is the second month getting it, and I love it, so I thought I would share it. But the thing I love about them is that their pieces are actually good jewelry. They're gold plated, they don't rust, they're good jewelry pieces. And this year I've kind of wanted to get rid of like my Target jewelry, my Amazon jewelry, and start buying real jewelry that like real pearls and stuff like that. In the bag last month there were gold hoop earrings with freshwater pearls on them, and they're real freshwater pearls. And pearls can be expensive. I mean, it can be 60 bucks for a pearl necklace. So I just thought it was great that they have like real gems, gold plated, just really nice quality jewelry for $55 a month, and you get 5 pieces. So it's a deal. All their stuff has been really nice. So cheers. And so I'm going to share it with you guys. I really do like them. I think they're good. I think I signed up for the 3 month. So if you prepay for 3 months, it ends up being, wait, I think it's $60 a month, but if you prepay 3 months, you get $5 off every month. So, or something like that. So this month they have a theme, synchronicity. There's a little card in the back. It tells you what everything is, how much it would usually cost. Everything's like on here is gold plated, and it basically tells you how much everything is. So I'll go through and I'll tell you and it tells you the total value, which is $213 is the total value of this month's subscription, and you got it for $55. So it's great. Let's just get started. You guys go follow their Instagram, because that's where you see all the jewelry that they have, and you can see if it's like your style. And I was obsessed. It was really cute. Okay, so the first thing, everything does come in these little plastic baggies like this. So I'm going to share this necklace because this is the most expensive thing. This is a gold plated, rhodium plated, brass double layered necklace. This retails for $51, guys. So this is a $50 necklace that basically you get 5 jewelry pieces that are all nice for that price. So I love this. I actually already wore this. I'll share a picture. I wore it to like a cocktail party because it's just so elegant and beautiful. But I've also wore it like just casually too. Look at this. Look at this gold plated beautifulness. Don't mind that I don't have any makeup on, you guys. We're gonna do that with the Boxy Charm. So I'm gonna put this baby on real quick. I thought we'd put on the jewelry, and then I could go ahead and do my makeup. Yeah, this is so freaking cute. Let me turn it because it's getting tangled here. There we go. So here's the necklace. It's just so dainty and so beautiful. Like I said, I got this bag the day I was going to like this cocktail party, which I've shared on Instagram, so you can go see it. And I just popped this on and it was so cute. Okay. Next are these little babies. They're these tiny hoops, which if you have like double piercings, that would be perfect to go on your second piercing. I don't, so I'm going to wear it just on my normal one. But these ones are the These are the Destiny hoops. They retail for $44. They're gold plated, and they are so freaking cute. They are so adorable. I don't think I'm going to wear these today. I'm going to wear the other ones. But I'll put it on so you can see how tiny they are. They're just small, dainty, cute. Again, perfect for your second hole if you have one. I do not. But look at that. Like, look how cute these are. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to wear the other ones today. Next, there's also a little cuff earring. Like, look at this little tiny cuff. Okay, so you just put it around. So I'm going to go ahead and put the cuff on. Like that. It's just a little cuff. Look at that. So freaking cute. You don't have to have a piercing for that one. And this is a sign ear cuff. Again, gold plated. It retails for $15. So freaking cute. Okay, and the other earrings that I am obsessed with are these chunky gold plated earrings. They are so beautiful. Look at that. They are a little bit bigger than the previous ones. They're like double the size of the other ones that I showed you. And these ones are the Perception hoops. They retail for $44. Again, they're gold plated. Look how cute. These are so freaking cute. I can't even. These are just, look at that. They're so shiny because they're gold plated. So they're just nice. I mean, like this jewelry just like pops. Anyways, okay. Next are two rings. This is the Happy Aligned ring. It's gold plated again. It's brass black enamel smile ring. Retails for $22. These smile rings are so popular right now. They're very, very trendy. And you can see right there. They're so trendy. I see these everywhere. They also have a star ring. This is the Serendipity ring. It's gold plated again. Brass enamel black star ring. $22. So this is what those rings look like. Cute, right? Super, super cute. So that's everything I got in this month's Xio bag. Tell me what you guys think down below. Is this like worth $55? I mean, if you add it all up, it's $213. I'll put their Instagram down below so you can check it out, so you can see all their pictures and you can see what they've done in the past and see if it's something that you'd be interested in. So I obviously got the gold because I love everything gold. So yeah. Okay, let's get started into the Boxycharm. Let me know your opinions, guys, down below. And this little bag can be reused or travel bag, this little very soft bag. So all right, Boxycharm. I love Boxycharm unboxing. Okay, the first thing is the Glam Glow Youth Mud. This is the glow stimulating treatment. It's anti-aging, fine line, smooth, refine, and glow. Honestly, I've tried some Glam Glow stuff and they can be quite drying. So I'll have to see how this works. It's a full size and this retails for $60, you guys. This is supposed to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and visible softened skin texture with natural clay lifts without disturbing skin's essential oils. Antioxidants from green tea, smooth for more glowing, youthful looking skin instantly. Okay, this is something I'm not going to use right now, but it's called the Quick Slick. Insert name here, Quick Slick Essence. Quick Slick is designed to quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalps. Let's just move on to base. This is the Georgette Klinger Marula Primer. It's for all skin types. It looks like this. This baby retails for $32. It's supposed to give you an all-day radiant finish, hydrating, long wearing. It cushions skin with that advanced hyaluronic acid to ensure silky smooth makeup application. It has marula oil. It has vitamins A, E, F, and B to lock in the moisture. So it's good for somebody that has dry skin, which I do. So let's put this baby on. I think today I'm going to be wearing my Gucci foundation, which I do have a review on if you're interested. Do you guys get Boxycharm, or is that just like a an old thing? Like, let me know down below. I still do because I love it. I think they have great products. And yes, this is the Pump Your Base Pinky Rose Cosmetics 2 multi-use makeup sticks. Look how cute this is. Isn't this so freaking cute? This is eyeshadow sticks. Okay, in that case, I'm setting my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, which I am digging. I did like a full face of Charlotte Tilbury, and I will share that video up in an iCard if you haven't seen it. Since this is literally what I've been using, oh, just use it. It's Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to use this contour shade here. Contour real quick. Guys, I don't know what the heck is going on, but like my eye has been twitching since yesterday. It's been constantly twitching. It's been my lid, like my lower lid right here, and I know I'm like stressed out of my mind, like I get that, but I'm like really concerned because it's not normal, and I don't think that that's very good. So it's kind of stressing me out even more. Okay, for bronzer, this Essence Luminous Bronzing Powder, I'm gonna put that on. Bronze this face of mine. If you don't believe me that I used to have a good camera and good like audio and stuff, go see some of my previous videos. Like, not the last couple two, I mean the last couple two, not the last two because those have been with my vlog camera, but the ones before that. So let's see what these little multi-sticks, let's use the cream right above my brow. So you can use these as primers or as cream eyeshadows. I don't know what to do, honestly. Maybe I'll use it as this one as a primer, and then we'll see what happens. I'll try to pop the other one on. Okay, so I have this LA Girl Pro Artistry eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna get into this color right here and put that all over the crease real quick. I don't want to put fake lashes on. I just want to do like mascara and go. Okay, this is as close as this camera gets. So popping this copper shade, which is very pretty. They're easy to use. I don't think they're gonna crease. They don't feel like they will. They feel nice. I like it. Looks nice. Okay, well then. This mascara is pricey, but it's so good. This one's called Day Slayer. It's a pretty color. It's like a little bit of a cooler nude, but it looks really pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Okay, so that's it. This is me getting ready for a typical day. What do you guys think about the jewelry? I feel like the jewelry makes me look like I'm a little bit more fancy, like more like together, a little bit more like expensive, like a little more, you know, like like $4 signs instead of like $2 signs, you know what I mean? I don't know. Let me know what you think down below. Anyways, I love you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Go say hi to me over on Instagram. I post every single morning, so make sure you go say hi and you follow me through my stories. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.